You know those long, kind of repetitive lists you see for learning English? Like, what is your name? Over and over and over again. They look so simple, you might even think, what's the point? But what if there's a secret code hidden inside that list? A brilliant blueprint for building a conversation from scratch? Well, today, we're going to crack that code.
So, this is what we're looking at. Just a wall of text, right? It's this endless loop of, what is your name? My name is Anna. How old are you? I'm 20 years old. And honestly, when you first see it, it just feels chaotic. Maybe even a little bit boring. Just one simple phrase after another on repeat.
But hang on, this is where it gets really interesting. What if this isn't just some random collection of phrases? What if all this simplicity, all this repetition, is actually a masterclass, a perfectly designed blueprint for building real, fluent conversations right from square one?
Okay, let's do it. We're gonna break this thing down and show you the hidden structure inside. It's basically a 4-part blueprint designed to take you from just saying hello all the way to talking about your biggest dreams.
And to make it easy to see, we've laid it out as a conversation pyramid. See how each layer builds on the one right below it? It's a system for creating a complete profile of a person. You start at the bottom with the absolute basics, identity. Then you move up to daily life, add some flavor with personality, and finally, you reach the very top with aspirations.
So let's start where it all begins, the foundation, your identity. I mean, before you can talk about anything else, people need to know who you are. This is ground zero for any real conversation.
And right away, the list drills these fundamentals. It's all about establishing the core facts about you, your name, where you come from, what you do for a living or for school. These aren't just random questions for small talk. They are literally the essential building blocks for introducing yourself to anyone, anywhere. And check out the pattern here. It's so simple but so powerful. The questions use those basic what, where, how words. What, where, how. And the answers, they're just simple, direct statements. What do? I am a student. By repeating this back and forth, you're not just memorizing lines. Now, you're actually internalizing the fundamental grammar of an introduction. It becomes second nature.
All right, so once you've established who you are, the blueprint takes you to the next level, mapping out your daily life. This is where your identity, that static profile, actually starts to move and do things.
The list literally just walks you through a typical day. It's amazing. It kicks off with, what time do you wake up? I wake up at 7. Then it covers breakfast, how you get to school, all the way to what time you eat dinner and go to sleep. It's creating a simple story, a little narrative that anyone on the planet can understand and relate to. And now for my favorite part. This is where it gets so much more personal. We're moving beyond the who you are and what you do, and we're getting into the why you do it. This third layer, personality, is what adds all the color. It's what turns a basic profile into an actual interesting person.
And how does it do this? With a whole barrage of simple but incredibly revealing questions. It starts out broad. Do you like music? And then it jumps to another big category. Do you like sports?
And then another. Do you like traveling? You see what's happening? This rapid-fire approach builds a really comprehensive picture of who someone is just by figuring out their likes and dislikes.
And when you actually step back and categorize all of these do you like questions, you realize just how systematic it all is. It's not random at all. It covers everything. Food, hobbies, what you watch, what you do for fun. It's a system designed to teach you how to talk about your preferences on, well, pretty much anything.
So, we've built this amazing foundation. We know who you are, what you do every day, and what you like. That brings us all the way to the top of our pyramid, aspirations. This final layer is all about looking forward. It's about your hopes, your goals, your dreams for the future.
And you can see the shift right here in the questions. It's no longer, do you like? Now it's, do you want? And that, my friends, is a huge leap. We're not talking about today anymore. We're talking about tomorrow. Do you want to be a doctor? Do you want to be successful? And then, boom, the most important one. Do you want to speak English fluently? It connects the entire exercise right back to the real reason you're learning in the first place.
Okay, so let's put all the pieces together. Why does this ridiculously simple, super repetitive method actually work? What is the secret sauce that turns this boring-looking list into a genuine path toward fluency? This right here is the whole game. The point was never to just memorize, my name is Anna. The real goal was to learn the pattern.
See, memorizing one phrase gets you one answer for one situation. But learning a pattern, like I want to be a blank, is infinitely flexible. You can put anything in that blank. It builds conversational muscle memory, which lets you create your own unique answers for any topic that comes up.
And that leaves us with one last kind of mind-bending thought. We always seem to be looking for complicated tricks and hacks to solve big problems, like learning a whole new language. But what if the real key, the secret to having the most complex, deep conversations, is just getting really, really good at the simplest questions first? What if, when all is said and done, that foundation is truly everything?